Kisses to all of my kisses and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nina and I am the twerk queen. No, I probably shouldn't call myself the twerk queen because there are so many people out there that can out twerk me, but I can teach you how to twerk. You guys stay tuned because today I'm going to be showing you how to put your legs up on a wall and how to throw that ass back with your hands on the floor. I like to call it the wall spider twerk. Let's get started. Before we even start to try to jump on the wall, we're gonna do some tests. I want you to get on a 90-degree angle, make a square with your body just like this. Align your shoulders with your hands all the way down with your elbows. Align your thighs with your knees. Make sure that you are at a perfect 90 degree. Do some adjustments. If you don't have a mirror at home where you can do this comfortably, just put your cell phone against a wall, make the camera face forward, and it works as a perfect mirror. So once you get your body perfectly aligned like this, you're gonna wanna take your toes and tuck them underneath your feet like this. You're gonna wanna put your head straight forward and just lift your body weight up for 2 inches. And if you can hold this pose for 60 seconds without hurting yourself or without stopping, then you can try the move on the wall. So all we're gonna do is lift up like this. Just hold this pose for 60 seconds. The reason why I suggest that you use your cell phone is because it has a timer on it. You'll know exactly at what point you lift up your knees up and at what point you touch down. That'll give you the length and time in which you're holding that actual precision. That move is going to do a few things. It's going to make sure that your core is really, really strong, and it'll also protect your spine from shifting when your feet are up on the wall. So before you try to do this move, make sure that you are strong enough to perform it. You don't want your body to tilt left or right because you can severely hurt your spine and your back. It's not worth to learn the twerk move if you're not going to be safe about it. One more move before we get into how to actually get your feet up on the wall. You're going to want to strengthen your core by doing this simple move here. If you put your feet together like this, and you put your body completely straight like you're a tall plank, the easiest way to do that is to just lay like this with your head forward because it'll let you know what your strength is, what your length is right there. And all you're gonna do is take that same elbow and drag it back like this. That way you know you're in a perfect straight form. And then just lift your hips up this way. And then once you do that, this is when you get more advanced. And you just hold this for 60 seconds on each side. How to know if you are far away from the wall to put your feet up versus if you're too close. All right, so this is what I like to do. This is the quickest cheat way. Put your feet on the wall so they're touching the wall. That way you have no questions. Am I far enough? Am I too far gone? Left, right. Put your body in a perfect square, the pose we just did sideways. Now you're gonna move your hands forward. Now you're kind of leaning a little bit. You should be able to do this. This is, let me show you what the actual lean looks like from the side. I'm gonna turn sideways. So I'm like this, so I start off like this on the wall. Let me get back here. I start off like this on the wall. My feet are actually up like this on the wall. And I'm just going to move forward so I can be able to lean this way or this way. So you see how far forward my hands are versus when I'm at a 90 and it's a perfect 90, my hands are here, not here. So for the wall twerk, your hand has to be here on this side. So this is at a perfect 90. For the wall twerk, for the exercise, this is the perfect amount to be away from the wall. So you can lean forward with your body weight. Now I'm gonna do it this way. So my legs are up on the wall, get back up on the wall, just like that. Now remember, you're at a perfect 90. You're not shifting. You're gonna put your hands about, let's say 12 inches forward to be safe. Now you're at the perfect, you're perfectly away from that wall where all you gotta do is take your right knee or your left knee, your right knee or your left knee and just lift them. You pick the one you wanna lift, right? If you're gonna lift with your right knee, that means that all your body weight is technically on your left knee. You're gonna wanna keep this knee higher and just lift like this. You're just gonna step back, just like this, just step right back. Once you step right back, then you can just hold it. Don't do anything else, just hold this pose. You're just practicing your core work. Once you can hold that pose for 60 seconds, you can very easily just shift your hands back and put your legs higher. It gives us leverage to be able to put our feet up where we want to and hold the body weight up. This is gonna be step 2. You wanna be able to hold this for 60 seconds without any pain, without any problems. Just hold it for 60 seconds. Once you do that for 60 seconds, then you can move on to the actual dance move to be able to hold your body weight up, not injure yourself, and be able to twerk your hips back and forth. Once you do that, the move should look something like this. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this video. I really have a lot of fun recording these videos. Really wanted to tell you thank you so much for sharing this video, for liking this video. I am going to set an all new high goal. This is going to come off as crazy, but what if we can get this video to 10,000 likes? Please comment below. Let me know what you think, what kind of future twerk videos you actually want to see, because I actually want to bring you a lot more. Hint, just a little, dropping a little bit of a hint. I have new twerk pants. That's on my vlog channel, NinaUnrated Vlogs. And if you're interested in my eating show videos, it's NinaUnrated Eats, where I showcase what I do eat usually every day. I'll see you guys there. Thank you so much once again for sharing, being subscribed, leaving a positive comment if possible. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Get your twerk on. You guys go ahead and check out my description box where there's a bunch of links to a bunch of goodies. I'll see you guys there. Bye guys.